So this is College Mathematics 1 first semester TDC Guwahati University. So here today I am going to solve this supplementary problem set 3D, and where there is some controversy in the questions, I have not solved those questions. So here the theory, only these formulas are used which I am going to write here, and on the basis of these formulas you can solve these questions. So the formulas are here. First, your e to the power of minus ix, that is equal to cos x minus I sin x, and e to the power of ix, that is equal to cos x plus I sin x, and your cos x, that is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of ix plus e to the power of minus ix, and your sin x, that is 1 by 2i e to the power of ix minus e to the power of minus ix. And now here again the next formula, that is log p, that is equal to 2n pi I plus log p. And see, next is that this is a important, you can use this as a formula, log x plus iy, that is equal to log r plus I, or you can say directly, you can write directly, that is equal to log root x square plus y square plus I 2n pi plus tan inverse y by x. This you can use as a formula also. So now I'm going to exercise, that is supplementary problem set 3. This is supplementary problem. This is supplementary problem 3D set 3, 3D supplementary problem. So here first we have to prove that log minus 1 is equal to 2n plus 1 pi I. So here you can write left hand side log minus 1, that is equal to log I square, and this is equal to, as per your formula, that is I have given you, your formula is here, this log p is equal to 2n pi I plus this p. So according to this formula, this will be 2n pi I plus log p log I square. So this will be 2n pi I plus 2 log I, and this is 2n pi I plus 2. This can be written as this can e to the power of, this can be written as e to the power of this I. Oh no, so sorry. I means that is log e to the power of I pi by 2. How is this? You see the value of ei pi by 2, that is equal to cos pi by 2 plus I sine pi by 2. This is 0 and this is 1, so I, the value of I is this, the value of I is this. So here this will be equal to 2n pi I plus 2I pi by 2 log e, this will be 1, so this will be 2n pi I plus pi I, so this will be 2n plus 1 pi I. This is equal to left hand side. This is proved. This is proved here. So now mark question number 2. You see question number 2. Question number 2 is again question number 2, that is 2, that is log I is equal to I 2n plus 1 by 2 pi. Again same formula, log I is equal to 2n pi I plus log I, and this is equal to 2n pi I left hand side I plus log e to the power of I pi by 2, value of I, so 2n pi I plus I pi by 2, and so here this is equal to your I common 2n plus half your pi. This is equal to right hand side proved. Now question number 3. Question number 3. I to the power of x is equal to cos kn pi plus I psi kn. 1 minute, there is a mistake here. I to the power of x is equal to cos k pi x plus I sine k pi x, k equal to 2n plus half. So here I am going to come from the right hand side, that is right hand side cos k pi x plus I sine k pi x. This can be written as e to the power of I k pi x. This can be written as this. So here you can see that the value of k, it is given to you. This is the value of k. So this will be equal to e to the power of I 2n, this is n, 2n plus half, this is pi x. So here this can be written as e to the power of I 2n plus half pi to the whole power x. So the value of this, see the value of this the value of this, we have already calculated. The value of this is see log I. You have already calculated. The value of this is see value of this is log I. You have already calculated. So this will be e to the power of log I to the whole power x. So this will be I to the power of x. So this is left hand side. So this is proved. Now question number 4. Minus I to the whole power minus I e to the power of 1 by 2 4n minus 1 pi. So here see left hand side minus I to the whole power minus I. So we can write this as I minus I can write it as e to the power of minus I pi by 2 to the whole power minus I. Now this is into 1, so I can write I pi by 2, this e to the power of 2 and pi I. This is equal to minus I, because here it is given, you can see that the value of, here see it is given, the value of e to the power of n pi I, its value is 1. So now this will be equal to e to the power of minus I pi by 2 plus 2 n pi I to the whole power minus I. So this will be, if you take LCM, so this will be e to the power of 4n minus 1 pi by 2 into I to the whole power minus I. So this will be into, that is minus I square means plus, so this will be equal to e to the power of 4n minus 1 pi by 2, and this is right hand side proved. So now question number your, this is question number question number 4, that is log root I is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4 I. So here again your left hand side log root I, so this is equal to 1 by 2 log I, and the value of log I have already calculated. This is value of log I, see value of log I, we have already calculated it. So this is equal to 1 by 2 I 2n plus 1 by 2 pi. So this comes out to be, see, uh, hmm, here it will be n plus 1 by 4 pi, uh, 1 by 4 pi I, or you can write n pi, this is n pi plus 1 by 4 pi I. Here 2 does not comes here. Here 2 is missing. I don't know from where this 2 and pi got this here, because here if you 1 by 2 value of I log I, it is I 2n plus. So this comes out to be this much. This is your answer. This is equal to, instead of 2 this must be n. So this is right hand side. So now again question number 2. Question number 2. Here question number 2. Let me see question number 2. 2. So that log a plus ib by a minus ib is equal to 2 I tan inverse b by a. Hence deduce that cos I, answer to deduce that cos, this also on, cos I log a plus ib by a minus ib is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So here again see your left hand side, that is cos I log a plus ib by a minus ib. So here cos I, this value is 2I tan inverse b by a. So this will be I square, cos minus theta is cos theta. So cos 2 tan inverse b by a. So this is cos 2 theta formula. Your cos 2 theta is equal to tan 1 minus 2a, 1 minus a square by 1 plus a square. So this will be equal to 1 minus tan 2 theta. This is your a, 2 theta. This is your a, tan a, uh, tan a, uh, this is your 1 minute. Formula is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is tan inverse b by a the whole square by 1 minus tan inverse b by a the whole square. So this will be equal to 1 minus b square by a square by 1, oh this is plus 1 plus b square by a square. So this will be a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Right hand side, this is proved. Now I am going to question number 3. Question number 3, that is express in the form a plus ib. Express in the form a plus ib. So here you see first pi to the power of I. This I can write as e to the power of log pi I. So this will be e to the power of I log pi, and this log pi, that means from this formula log pi, that means from this formula, let me take this L log pi, that is equal to 2n pi I plus log pi. So here this will be e to the power of I 2n pi I plus log pi. So this will be I square e to the power of minus 2n pi plus I log pi. This will be, so we can write this as e to the power of minus 2n pi into e to the power of I log pi. That means e to the power of I theta, that is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So e to the power of minus 2n pi, that is cos log pi plus I sin log pi. So this is your answer in the form a plus ib. So this is your answer. Let me check the answer. This is log pi plus I. Now again question number 2, that is log minus e. So this I can write as log I square e. So this will be 2n pi I plus log I square e. So this will be 2n pi I plus log I square plus log e. So this will be again 2n pi I plus 2 log I plus 1. So 2n pi I, this will be principal value only principal value. Log I means e to the power of I, pi to principal value, plus 1 only principal. So this will be 2n pi I plus 2 into I, this is I, pi by 2 plus 1, 2 cancels. So this will be 2n pi I plus I pi plus 1. So this ultimately becomes 2n plus 1 pi I plus 1. So this can be 1 plus I 2n plus 1 pi. This is your answer. Now going to question number 7, that is find the principal. I have already tell you the questions where I find some little bit controversy or some problem in the questions, I have not solved those questions. Find the principal value of I to the power of I. So you have to find the principal value of I to the power of I. So this means I, you can write it as I to the power of I, you can write as e to the power of I pi by 2 to the whole power I. So since we have to write the principal value, 1 minute. So this will be equal to e to the power of minus pi by 2. So let me check the answer. 7, see e to the power of minus pi by 2. So this is your answer. Again, question number your 9. Question number 9. If log x plus iy is equal to a plus ib, then prove that 2a is equal to log x square plus y square and b is equal to tan inverse y by x. So you can write directly from here. So here you see this is log, this is log principal value. So here you can write directly like this. Here you can write directly like this, that is log, see log, here you log x plus iy, that is equal to log log root over x square plus y square plus I tan inverse y by x, because here you see it has been already derived log x plus iy. So this is here, because here small letter l, so it is principal value, so no need of this. So here see a plus ib is equal to log root x square plus y square plus I tan inverse y by x. So your a is equal to log root x square plus y square, so 1 by 2, therefore that is 2a is equal to log x square plus y square, and your b is tan inverse y by x. So this is your answer. Now question number 10, that is question number 10. If y, u and v be real quantities satisfying the relation 10 pi by 4 plus iy is equal to u plus iv, then prove that u square plus v square equal to 1. You have to prove this. So here you will see that here you will see that your 10 solution 10 pi by 4 plus iy is equal to u plus iv. So here pi by 4 plus iy is equal to tan inverse u plus iv. So this is equation 1. Again pi by 4 minus iy, this will be tan inverse u minus iv to 1 plus 2, you get pi by 2 is equal to tan inverse u plus iv plus tan inverse u minus iv. So from here you see that is pi by 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So this will be tan inverse u plus iv plus u minus iv. This is by 1 minus u plus iv into u minus iv. So pi by 2, this will be equal to tan inverse, it is 2u by 1 minus, this will be u square plus v square. So this tan pi by 2, this is equal to 2u 1 minus u square plus v square. So this is infinity 2u by 1 minus u square plus v square. So 1 minus u square plus v square, this will be equal to 0, anything divided by 0. So your u square plus v square is equal to 1. So this is your proof. This is proved. So this has been proved. So now again if we go to question number 11, now question number 11, see question number 11. Question number 11, that is 11, prove that tan alpha plus I beta is equal to 2 sine 2a plus I e to the power of 2 beta minus e to the power of minus 2 beta by e to the power of 2 beta plus 2 cos 2 alpha plus e to the power of minus 2 beta. Now here you see one thing, that is one thing that is, yeah, see one thing. See, one formula, that is cos x is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of ix plus e to the power of minus ix, and sin x, the formula is 1 by 2i e to the power of ix minus e to the power of minus ix. So here I can, from right hand side, see, I can do 2 sine 2 2 sine 2 alpha 2 sine 2 alpha plus I e to the power of 2 beta minus e to the power of minus 2 beta by 2i. I can do this also. One thing I can do here, 2 into 2, no, into 2i. So here by 2 cos 2 alpha plus e to the power of 2 beta plus e to the power of minus 2 beta by 2 into 2. So here you see 2 sine 2 alpha, this becomes sine 2 alpha, so this becomes 2 beta. So plus I square minus 2, this becomes sine 2 beta, and below this becomes cos 2 beta, 2 cos 2 alpha plus 2 cos 2 beta. Now if I am going to use the formula, that is 2 common cos A minus cos B formula. So cos A minus cos B formula, that will be, sorry, sin A minus sin B formula. Sin A minus sin B formula, that will be 2 sin A minus sin B formula, that is 2 cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta by 2 into sin 2 alpha minus 2 beta by 2, and below if I apply 2 common 2 cos A plus cos B formula, then it is 2 cos 2 alpha plus 2 beta by 2 into cos 2 alpha minus 2 beta by 2. So here this will be cos this will be 2 cos alpha plus beta and sine alpha minus beta, and below it will be 2 cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. So this cancels out, this is 10 alpha minus beta. So here instead of minus I can write 10 alpha plus I square beta. So this is your left hand side. It must be I square, not I. So here you see it must be I square, it can't be I. But if you find any problem, you give me in the comment section. If you find any problem, I have calculated like this. If you have a problem, from my point of view, instead of I, it should be I square, because it is minus, so I square, it is minus. So this is all about 3D. It's over now.